Hello students and good morning. So now I'm doing class for class 11. So this is the continuation class. So in the last online class we were doing this topic, trigonometrical ratios of associated angles. Today also we will continue the same chapter, that is trigonometrical ratios of associated angles. Same exercise 3, 4 mark section, and the page number is 124. Okay. So let's do this question number 1, and this is from 4 marks section. Question number 1, you have to simplify. You have to find out the simplified value of this given expression. That is question number 1. हामीले यो जुन चाहिँ एक्सप्रेसन दिएको छ, यो एक्सप्रेसन को simplified value निकाल्नु पर्छ. So you know how to use the formula, isn't it? So let us do this problem now. So you have to simplify. अब यसलाई हामी simplify गर्दै लान्छौं. The question is number 1, cos theta divided by sin 90 degree plus theta plus sin of minus theta divided by sin 180 plus theta minus tan of 90 degree plus theta divided by cot theta. So let us use the formula wherever it is possible. Okay, so is equal to, now cos theta remains as it is. So this is cos theta remains as it is divided by, अब यो sin 90 degree plus theta को formula के हो? What is the formula for sin 90 plus theta? So पहिला हामी के चाहिँ गर्छौं, यो 90 degree plus theta कुन चाहिँ क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्दैछ? यो 90 degree plus theta lies in the second quadrant, अनि second quadrant मा sin is जहिले पनि के हुन्छ, positive. Sin is always positive, and this is 90 into 1. 90 into 1 means odd multiple of 90. So if it is odd multiple of 90, यदि odd multiple of 90 छ भने चाहिँ sin changes to cos, cos changes to sin, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, sec changes to cosec, and cosec changes to sec. So here sin will be changed into cos, so it will be cos theta. Okay, plus next, what is sin of minus theta? I told you that whenever there is a negative angle, minus theta always lies in the fourth quadrant. Negative angle चाहिँ जहिले पनि कुन चाहिँ क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ. अनि फोर्थ क्वाड्रेन्टमा cos र sec मात्रै पोजिटिभ, अरु सबै चाहिँ के हुन्छ, नेगेटिभ हुन्छ. सो sin of minus theta के हुँदैछ, यो minus sin theta divided by, so what is the formula for sin 180 degree plus theta? पहिला हामी के चाहिँ गर्छौं, 180 degree plus theta कुन चाहिँ क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ? 180 degree plus theta, in which quadrant does it lie? It lies in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant sin is negative, so it is minus. So now since this is 180 degree is even multiple of 90, isn't it? That is 90 degree into 2. यदि यो even multiple of 90 छ भने trigonometrical ratios do not change. Trigonometrical ratio change नै हुँदैन. So sin remains as it is. So it is sin theta. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So next, minus sign is there. Now what is the formula for tan 90 degree plus theta? 90 degree plus theta lies in the lies in the second quadrant. 90 degree plus theta lies in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant tan theta is negative. Your tan theta minus भएको. And 90 degree into 1 odd multiple भयो. 90 degree into 1 odd multiple भयो भने tan changes to cot. So it is cot theta. So divided by, it is cot theta. Okay. So you can cancel here. Here also you can cancel it. Here also you can cancel it. Okay. So 1 by 1 is 1. This is minus into minus plus. 1 by 1 is 1. So it is also minus into minus plus. 1 by 1 is 1, which is equal to 3. So 3 is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So now we will do the next question, that is again you have to simplify it. So this is question number 2 of number 1. The question is cos 2 pi plus alpha, cosec pi minus alpha, tan pi by 2 plus alpha whole divided by sec pi by 2 plus alpha, sin 3 pi by 2 minus alpha, cot within bracket 2 pi minus alpha. And you know that pi is always 180 degrees, isn't it? So pi is equal to, this is always 180 degree. Pi is equal to 180 degree. So let us write 180 degree in terms of pi here. So is equal to cos, what is 2 pi? So 2 into 180 degree, 360 degree plus alpha into cosec. What is pi? It is 180 degree minus alpha. So if you can write 180 degree in terms of pi, it will be easier for you to use the formula, right? And this is tan of, what is pi by 2? It is 90 degree plus alpha. This whole divided by, in the denominator, sec, what is pi by 2? It is 90 degree plus alpha. Sine, what is 3 pi by 2? You know that pi by 2 is 90 degree, and pi by 2 kati bhayo 90 degree. 90 degree into 3 भनेपछि कति भयो? 270 degree minus alpha, and cot within bracket, what is 2 pi? 2 pi is 360 degree. You know that 2 pi is 360 degree minus alpha. So now you can easily use the formula now. Okay? So which is equal to, now in the numerator. So now in the numerator, what is the formula for cos 360 degree plus alpha? पहिला हामी के चाहिँ गर्छौं, 360 degree plus alpha चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ quadrant मा पर्दैछ? In which quadrant does this angle 360 degree plus alpha lie? 360 degree plus alpha always lies in the first quadrant. And in the first quadrant, cos is always positive. The positive sign हामी usually लेख्दैनौं, ठीक छ? त 360 भनेको 90 into 4. 90 into 4 भनेको even multiple of 90. So cos remains as it is. So this is cos alpha into. So what's about this? Cosec 180 minus alpha. फेरि पनि हामी चेक गर्छौं, यो 180 degree minus alpha कुन चाहिँ क्वाड्रेन्ट मा पर्दैछ? 180 degree minus alpha second quadrant मा पर्दैछ. The second quadrant मा cosec के हुन्छ? Positive, हैन? So it is positive sign, right? And since 180 is 90 into 2, even multiple of 90. So if it is even multiple of 90, trigonometrical ratio change hudaina. So it remains as it is. That is, it is cosec alpha. Into next, tan 90 plus alpha. 90 plus alpha lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is always negative, minus. Okay? So now since there is only 90 degree, that means 90 into 1. It is odd multiple. So tan changes to cot. So it is cot alpha. Okay? So now in the denominator, again you can use the formula in the denominator also. What is the formula for sec 90 degree plus alpha? पहिला हामी के चाहिँ गर्छौं, 90 degree plus alpha कुन चाहिँ क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ? 90 plus alpha lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sec is always negative. And since this is 90 into 1 odd multiple, so sec changes to cosec. So sec changes to cosec, right? Into. Next, now this is sin 270 minus alpha. So यो 270 minus alpha कुन चाहिँ क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ? थर्ड क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्यो. थर्ड क्वाड्रेन्टमा sin के हुन्छ? माइनस. अनि यो 270 भनेको 90 into 3 odd multiple भइगयो. That is odd multiple of 90. If it is odd multiple of 90, sin changes to cos. So it is cos alpha. Into, what is cot 360 minus alpha? 360 degree minus alpha lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cot is always negative, isn't it? Cot is always what? Cot is always negative in the fourth quadrant, that is minus. And 360 degree is 90 degree multiplied by 4. So it is even multiple of 90. So cot remains as it is. So this is cot alpha. Is that clear? Now we can cancel here. This cos alpha one time. This is cosec alpha one time. This is cot alpha gets cancels. So it is minus into minus plus. This is also minus plus. So it is, what is the value? So this is 1. So 1 is the final answer. So I hope you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we will do the next question. So now let's do the next question, that is question number 2. The question number 2 is, if sine theta is equal to minus 3 by 5. Here the value for sine theta is given, which is equal to minus 3 by 5, and theta lies in the third quadrant. And you know that here it is given that theta lies in the third quadrant, and you know that sine theta is negative in the third quadrant. Okay, so you have to find out the value for both tan theta as well as sec theta. So here given is sine theta is equal to minus 3 by 5. So from this given value, how can you get the value for tan theta and sec theta? So let us square both the sides. If you square both the sides, you will get sine square theta. And using sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. You know that. What is the formula for sine square theta in terms of cos square? It is 1 minus cos square theta, isn't it? So let us square both the sides. So squaring both the sides. So squaring both the sides, what do we get? It is sine square theta is equal to minus 3 by 5 whole square. And now you can convert this sine square into cos square. If you can convert it into cos square, you can easily get sec theta, isn't it? So what is the formula for sine square theta? It is 1 minus cos square theta. You know this formula, isn't it? That is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And from here you can get the formula for 1 minus cos square theta. That is 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. Okay, that is, what is the formula for sine square theta? It is 1 minus cos square theta, which is equal to minus whole square is plus, 3 square is 9, divided by what is 5 whole square? It is 25. Or next, 9 by 25, take it to the left hand side. 1 minus, it is 9 by 25 is equal to, it is cos square theta. Or now we can simplify it. 25 ones are 25, minus 9 is, this is 16 by 25 is equal to, this is your cos square theta. Or what is the value for cos theta? It is plus minus root over 16 by 25. That is, you have to write first both the sign plus minus. Then you have to check which is the correct sign in this case. Or now this is cos theta is equal to plus minus, it is 4 upon 5. Is that clear? Square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 25 is 5. So this is cos theta is equal to plus minus 4 by 5. But you have to check which is the correct sign in this case. कुन चाहिँ हाम्रो यहाँ correct sign हो त्यो निकाल्नु पर्यो. Now since theta lies in the third quadrant, if theta lies in the third quadrant, cos theta is always negative. So since theta lies in the third quadrant, therefore cos theta is negative. Since theta lies in the third quadrant, so cos theta is always negative. So what is the value for cos theta now? So cos theta is equal to minus 4 upon 5. So cos theta is equal to minus 4 upon 5. So we have got the value for cos theta. But in this case, you have to get the value for tan theta and sec theta. So you can easily get the value for tan theta, isn't it? So you know the formula of tan theta, right? So in class 10, you did tan theta. What is the formula for tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Or now this is tan theta is equal to, what is the value for sin theta? Just now we got it. Sin theta is equal to minus 3 by 5. Sin theta is equal to minus 3 by 5 divided by, what is the value for cos theta? It is minus 4 by 5, right? So it is minus 4 by 5. So here this minus minus gets cancels. So or tan theta is equal to, so now let us simplify it. 3 by 5 into, when this 4 by 5 goes up in the numerator, it becomes upside down. So here 5 gets cancels, or what is the value for tan theta? So tan theta is equal to 3 upon 4. So this is the answer. So what is the value for tan theta? It is 3 upon 4. We have got it. Now we have to get the value for sec theta. So now sec theta is equal to, you know sec theta is 1 by cos theta. They are opposite function, isn't it? So sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. And you know the value for cos theta. What is the value for cos theta? It is minus 4 by 5. So is equal to 1 upon, this is minus 4 by 5. So which is equal to, after simplification, when it goes up in the numerator, it becomes upside down. So which is equal to minus 5 upon 4. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we will do the next question. So now we'll do this question number 3, number 4, that is from the 2 mark section. Actually, I had given you this as your homework, but many of you could not do it. So again, I am doing it. Okay. So number 3, prove that. Question number 4. You have to prove that cos 306 degree plus cos 234 degree plus cos 162 degree plus cos 18 degree is equal to 0. Now you prove LHS is equal to RHS. So let us write down left hand side here. That is cos 306 degree plus cos 234 degree plus, and next this is cos 162 degree plus cos 18 degree. So how can you prove that this left hand side is equal to 0? Your left hand side is equal to 0. I mean, prove garchau. But these are not your standard angle, but you can convert it into same angles form. Okay. So if it is cos 18 degree, you can write cos 162 degree in terms of 18 degree. Yadi yo cos 18 degree ho bhane, yo 162 degree la pani hami in terms of 18 degree lekhnu saksau ni ta, by writing 162 degree as 180 degree minus 18 degree, isn't it? So 162 degree can be written as 180 degree minus 18 degree. Is that clear? So now what will you do for this one? So cos 306 degree and this is cos 234 degree. So you can change this 360 degree and 234 degree in the same angle. You can change it into the same angle. यो 360 degree र 234 degree लाई हामीले same angle मा change गर्नु सक्छौ by writing it as 270 plus what? 270 plus 36 degree, isn't it? 270 plus 36 degree is 306, isn't it? That is 270 degree plus 36 degree is what? It is 306 degree. Okay, so we are adding here. That is 270 degree plus 36 degree is 306 degree. Okay. So how will you write this 234 degree? You have to write it in terms of 36 degree. So 234 degree can be written as 270 degree minus 36 degree. If you subtract it, what is it now? 6 plus 10 minus 6 is 4. This is 6, 3, 2. So this 234 degree can be written as 270 degree minus 36 degree. So let us write here cos 306 degree भनेको 270 degree plus 36 degree plus cos, how will you write 234 degree? 234 degree कसरी लेख्छौ? 270 degree minus 36 degree plus cos, मैले अघि नै भनेको थिएँ यो 162 degree लाई हामी कसरी लेख्छौ? You have to write it in terms of 18 degree. So you can write it as 180 degree minus 18 degree. So plus cos 18 degree. So I hope you have understood it. Okay. So which is equal to now, what is the formula for cos 270 plus theta? So this is 270 plus theta always lies in the fourth quadrant. And in the fourth quadrant, cos is always positive. Okay. So positive sign हामी usually लेख्दैनौं. अब यहाँ छ 270. 270 means 90 into 3, odd multiple. So cos changes to sine. So it is sine 36 degree. Is that clear? Next, it is 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta कुन चाहिँ क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ? थर्ड क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्यो. Third quadrant 270 minus theta lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is always negative. Okay. अब यो 270 भयो 90 into 3 odd multiple. Odd multiple भयो भने चाहिँ cos changes to sine. So it is sine 36 degree. Understood? Next, again use now let us write down the formula for cos 180 minus theta. So 180 degree minus 18 degree lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, what is the sign of cos? Minus. It is minus. So since this 180 is 90 into 2, even multiple bhaigo. 180 चाहिँ के भयो? 90 into 2, that is even multiple of 90. So cos remains same. So it is minus cos 18 degree plus cos 18 degree. So you can cancel it. Sin 36 degree and cos 18 degree will be cancelled, which is equal to 0. So it is proved. So I think you have understood this homework. This was your homework. So many of you could not do it. That's why I am doing it here. Okay. So I think now, I hope you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 4 marks section question, that is 3 number 1. If tan theta is equal to 15 by 8, the value for tan theta is given as 15 by 8 and cos theta is negative. So what is meant by this statement? Cos theta is negative and here tan theta is positive. In which quadrant cos theta negative and tan theta is positive? कुन चाहिँ क्वाड्रन्टमा चाहिँ cos theta चाहिँ नेगेटिभ हुन्छ अनि tan theta चाहिँ पोजिटिभ हुन्छ? In the third quadrant, isn't it? So this statement means that theta चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ क्वाड्रन्टमा पर्छ? थर्ड क्वाड्रन्टमा पर्छ. ठीक छ? So here given is tan theta is equal to 15 by 8 and cos theta is negative. And cos theta is negative. So that is, it means that theta lies in the third quadrant. Theta lies in the third quadrant. So theta lies in the third quadrant. Okay. Now since we have to get the value of this expression, sine of minus theta minus cos theta divided by tan of minus theta plus sec of minus theta. Okay, first of all let us get the value for sine theta, cos theta and sec theta. Sine theta, cos theta and sec theta, we already know the value for tan theta because it is given in the question itself. The tan theta value, so there goes sir, tan theta is equal to 15 by 8. Now let us find out sine theta, cos theta and sec theta from given. Okay, so here now given here is tan theta is equal to 15 upon 8. So let us square both the sides. हामीले यसलाई स्क्वायरिङ किन गर्दैछौँ? स्क्वायरिङ गर्यो भने tan square theta हुन्छ. Tan square theta बाट हामी sec square theta value निकाल्न सक्छौं. From sec theta we can get the value for cos theta. Okay, so let us square both the sides first. So squaring both the sides. So squaring both the sides, what do we get? Tan square theta is equal to 15 upon 8 whole square. So or it is tan square theta is equal to what is 15 whole square? It is 225 divided by what is 8 whole square? It is 64. Is that clear? Now what is the formula for tan square theta? Now you know that in class 10 you did this formula, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, isn't it? You have done it in class 10. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. From here you can get the formula for tan square theta. So 1 लाई चाहिँ हामी left side मा ल्याउँछौं, or this is sec square theta minus 1 is equal to, it is tan square theta. So what is the formula for tan square theta? It is sec square theta minus 1. So it is sec square theta minus 1 is equal to 225 divided by 64. So now let us get the value for sec square theta, or sec square theta is equal to minus 1, it becomes plus on the right hand side, and it is 225 divided by 64. Is that clear? Now sec square theta is equal to, what's the LCM? So here LCM is 64. So 64 into 1 is 64 plus it is 225. Okay, or sec square theta is equal to, now you can add them, 289 divided by 64. Now let us get the value for sec theta is equal to plus minus root over 289 divided by 64, or sec theta is equal to plus minus, what is square root of 289? What is square root of 289? Can you find out the square root? Square root निकाल्न सक्छ तिमीले 289 को square. How can you find it? How can you get the square root of 289? Let us find it. Okay, so you have done it in class 6 or 7, how to get the square root of 289. So now from the last digit you have to take the number in pairs. Pair of 9 is 8 and 2 is alone out here. Now you have to get the square root. So 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. If you take 2 twos are 4, 4 is more than 2. So you can't take 2 twos are 4. So you have to write 1 ones are 1. What is 2 minus 1? 1. Now you have to write down both the number 89, and here you have to add this 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. Is that clear? Now you have to write down the same number out here. You have to write down the same number out here. If you write here 6, you should write 6 here. If you write 7 here, you should write 7 here. If you write 2 here, you should write 2 here. So which number will you write here? So that if you multiply this number by that number, you will get 189. That is 7, right? If you write 7 sevens are 49, 9. Then comes 4, 7 twos are 14 plus 4 is, this is 18. So what is square root of 289? It is 17. What is square root of 289? It is 17, right? So this is 17 divided by 8. And you know that square root of 64 is 8. But which is the correct sign here? Here theta lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. And in the third quadrant sec theta is negative. Since theta lies in the third quadrant, therefore sec theta is negative. Sec theta is what? Negative. So therefore sec theta is equal to minus 17 upon 8. So we have got the value for sec theta. We have got this value of sec theta. That is sec theta is equal to minus 17 upon 8. Okay. Now from here let us find out the value for cos theta. You can easily get the value for cos theta now. So we have got the value for sec theta. Let us get the value for cos theta from sec theta. So you know that cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, which is equal to 1 upon what is sec theta? Minus 17 by 8. So after simplification it becomes minus 8 by 17. So we have got the value for cos theta. Now we have to get the value for what? Sin theta. This sin theta. So how can you get the value for sin theta? You know the value for tan theta, 15 by 8. And just now we got the value for cos theta. So from these two values, tan theta and cos theta, you can easily get the value for sin theta. So you know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, isn't it? So tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, right? So now, now what is tan theta? Tan theta is 15 by 8, isn't it? Tan theta is 15 by 8. Let us write here. It is 15 by 8 is equal to, now it is sin theta divided by what is cos theta? Cos theta is minus 8 by 17. It is minus 8 by 17. Okay. Next, or 15 by 8 is equal to minus 8 by 17. When it goes up in the numerator, it becomes 17 by 8 into sin theta. So here on the left hand side and on the right hand side, you can cancel the same number from the same denominators. It gets cancels. Okay. Or now this minus 17, you can get the value for sin theta. So let us take this minus 17 to the left hand side. So it becomes minus 15 by 17, which is equal to sin theta. Or what is the value for sin theta in this case? It is minus 15 by 17. So what is the value for sin theta? It is minus 15 by 17. Is that clear? So we have found out the values of sin theta. This is the value for sin theta. And we have found out the value for cos theta, minus 8 by 17. And we have got the value for sec theta, that is it is minus 17 by 8. And we know tan theta from given, that is tan theta is equal to 15 by 8. So now you can easily find out the value of this expression. Okay. Now write down given expression is equal to, now let us write here, therefore given expression is equal to, so given expression, so given expression is equal to, what is the given expression here? It is sine of minus theta, then minus cos theta divided by tan of minus theta, then plus sec within bracket minus theta. Okay. So let us find out its value. So now what is sine of minus theta? त तिमीलाई मैले पहिल्यै भनिसकेको छु माइनस थीटा जहिले पनि कुन चाहिँ क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ? फोर्थ क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्छ. माइनस थीटा अलवेज लाइज इन द फोर्थ क्वाड्रेन्ट. अनि फोर्थ क्वाड्रेन्टमा cos र sec मात्रै पोजिटिभ, अरु सबै के हुन्छ? नेगेटिभ. दैट मीन्स sin of minus theta will be minus sin theta. So minus cos theta remains same here, divided by what is tan of minus theta? Minus theta fourth quadrant मा पर्छ अनि फोर्थ क्वाड्रेन्टमा tan पनि नेगेटिभ हुन्छ, minus tan theta. Next, what is plus sec of minus theta? What is sec of minus theta? Minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant sec is always positive. So what's about sec of minus theta? It is plus sec theta. किनभने minus theta कुन चाहिँ क्वाड्रन्टमा पर्छ? फोर्थ क्वाड्रन्टमा पर्छ. त minus theta फोर्थ क्वाड्रन्टमा परेको हुनाले चाहिँ sec positive भएको हो. So it is plus sec theta. Okay? Now let us put the value. So what is the value for sin theta? It is minus 15 by 17. So minus sign, you have to write it. This minus sign. Again, what is sin theta? It is minus 15 by 17. Minus, what is cos theta? It is again minus 8 by 17. It is minus 8 by 17 divided by, in the denominator, minus, what is tan theta? It is given in the question, minus 15 by 8. And plus, what is sec theta? What is sec theta? Sec theta is minus 17 by 8. So within bracket you write minus 17 by 8. So I think you have understood it. So let us simplify it. So it is minus into minus plus 15 by 17, minus into minus plus 8 by 17. It is minus 15 by 8 plus into minus minus 17 by 8. So let us take the LCM and simplify it. So let us find out the LCM here now. So what's the LCM in the numerator? In the numerator, LCM is 17. So it becomes 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8. In the denominator, what's the LCM? LCM is 8. It is minus 15 minus 17. Right? So what is 15 plus 8? 23 by 17 divided by minus, same sign, you have to add them, minus 32 divided by 8. Is that clear? So which is equal to 23 by 17 into, when this denominator goes up in the numerator, it becomes upside down. So it is minus 8 by 32. Is that clear? So 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. Which is equal to, what is the final answer now? It is minus 23 ones are 23 divided by 17 fours are, 4 sevens are 28. 2, 4 ones are 4 plus 2 is 68. So the final answer is minus 23 by 68. So what is the final answer here? It is minus 23 upon 68. So that is the answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. This question is very, very important. You can mark it. Okay. So now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 3 number 2. It is same as problem number 3 number 1. Okay. So the question is, if theta lies in the fourth quadrant and sec theta is 5 by 3. So since sec theta is positive, so sec theta is positive in the fourth quadrant. So obviously this theta lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay. And it is given that sec theta is equal to 5 by 3. So you have to get the value of the expression 6 tan theta plus 5 cos theta divided by 5 cot theta plus cosec theta. From this value of sec theta and theta lies in the fourth quadrant, you have to find out the value for individual values of tan theta, cos theta, cot theta and cosec theta and put those values in this given expression in order to get the value of the given expression. Okay. So here theta lies in the fourth quadrant. Theta lies in the fourth quadrant, and what is the value for sec theta? Sec theta is 5 upon 3. Okay. So now, in order to get the value for tan theta from sec theta, what will you do here? You can square both the sides, isn't it? If you square both the sides, what do we get? Squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. So what do we get now? It is sec square theta is equal to, this is 5 upon 3 whole square, or this is sec square theta is equal to 5 square is 25 divided by 9. 5 square is 25 divided by 3 square is 9. And now you should know the formula of sec square theta. So what is the formula for sec square theta in terms of tan? It is sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Right? So let us put here, instead of sec square theta, you can put 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 25 by 9. Okay? So let us get the value for tan square theta. So here tan square theta is equal to 25 by 9 minus 1. Or what is the value for tan square theta? Now you can simplify it. So this is 9 ones are 9, isn't it? What is 25 minus 9? It is 16 divided by 9. Right? Or what is the value for tan theta? It is plus minus root over 16 by 9. Or tan theta is equal to plus minus, it is 4 upon 3. Square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 9 is 3. So it is plus minus 4 by 3. But which is the correct sign here? You know that theta lies in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant tan theta is negative. So here let us write, since theta lies in the fourth quadrant, therefore tan theta is negative. Therefore tan theta is what? Negative. So which is the correct sign here? Minus sign. So what is the value for tan theta? So tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3. Is that understood now? So the correct value for tan theta is minus 4 upon 3. Okay. Now we have got the value for tan theta. Now let us get the value for cot theta. So therefore what is cot theta now? You know that cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Right? Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 upon, what is tan theta? It is minus 4 by 3, or what is the value for cot theta? It is minus 3 by 4. So when this 4 by 3 goes up in the numerator, it becomes upside down, which is equal to minus 3 by 4. So that is the value for cot theta. Okay. So now you have to get the value for cos theta now. How can you get the value for cos theta? Again, you know that cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, because sec theta is given in the question. So therefore cos theta is equal to 1 upon, what is sec theta here? It is 5 upon 3. Or what is the value for cos theta? It is 3 upon 5. Now we have got the value for cos theta, which is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay. So now you have to get the value for cosec theta. So how can you get the value for cosec theta? Now you know the value of tan theta, isn't it? Now tan theta, as you know that it is sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. You know that, isn't it? So what is the value for tan theta here? It is minus 4 by 3. Let us put it out here. Is equal to sin theta divided by, what is cos theta? Cos theta is 3 by 5. Let us put it here. So sin theta divided by, what is cos theta? It is 3 by 5. Okay. So now let's simplify it. Minus 4 by 3 is equal to, so this 3 by 5, it becomes 5 by 3 in the numerator. So when it goes up, it becomes upside down. 5 by 3, then you can write sin theta. So here 3 gets cancels. Now 5, take it to the left hand side. So it is minus 4 by 5 is equal to sin theta. Or what is the value for sin theta now? So sine theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. But you have to get the value for what? Cosec theta. From sine theta you can easily get the value for cosec theta, isn't it? So therefore cosec theta, you know that it is 1 by sine theta, because they are opposite functions, right? Or cosec theta is equal to 1 upon what is sine theta? It is minus 4 by 5. Or what is the value for cosec theta now? So cosec theta is equal to minus 5 upon 4. So we have got the value for cosec theta also. Okay. So we have got the value for tan theta. We have got the value for cot theta. Okay. We have got the value for tan theta, cot theta, and we have got the value for cos theta also. We have got the value for cos theta also, and we have got the value for cosec theta. So now we can put this value here in the given expression. Okay. So in order to get the value of this given expression, you have to put the individual values of tan theta, cos theta, cot theta as well as cosec theta, and then simplify it. You will get the value of the given expression. So now given expression is equal to what is it? It is 6 tan theta, then plus 5 cos theta, plus 5 cos theta divided by 5 cot theta plus cosec theta. Plus cosec theta, right? So let us put the value now. So which is equal to, what is the value for tan theta? 6 into, what is the value for tan theta here? Minus 4 by 3. It is minus 4 by 3 plus 5 into what is cos theta? It is 3 by 5. It is 3 by 5 whole divided by 5 into what is cot theta? It is minus 3 by 4, right? It is minus 3 by 4 plus, and what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is minus 5 by 4. It is minus 5 by 4. Is that clear now? So we have put the values here. Okay, you have to put the correct values of tan theta, cos theta, cot theta and cosec theta. Now let us simplify it. So it is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So which is equal to, how much is it now? This is minus 8. This is minus 8 plus 3. Okay. So this is minus 15 by 4 plus into minus 5 by 4. So let us simplify it. What is minus 8 plus 3? It is minus 5 divided by, here the LCM is 4. So it is minus 15 minus 5. Right? So let us simplify it further now. So let us simplify it, which is equal to, in the numerator we have minus 5 divided by, in the denominator we have a minus 15 minus 5, minus 15 minus 5, same sign you can add them, minus 20 by 4. So here minus minus gets cancelled. So 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, which is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 5, which is equal to minus minus gets cancelled, that is plus 1. So it is 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, which is equal to 1. So 1 is the final answer. So this question is also very, very important. You can mark it. Okay, so I think you have understood it. So this much is for today. So you revise all the problems that we did today. That is your homework. So in the next online class, we will do more problems on this trigonometrical ratios of associated angles. So revise all the problems that we have done so far. Okay, so this much is for today.